Let us see how to delete multiple records in a MongoDB Atlas. So in the MongoDB Atlas web interface, it is difficult to delete multiple documents, but if you're using VS Code, then you can easily do that through the code. So for that, you have to install this VS Code extension. You can see that MongoDB extension is already installed in my VS Code. Once it is installed, just click on that MongoDB and then it will ask you to enter the MongoDB Atlas URL and your password. Once you enter that, you can access your database like this. Okay, so this is my database and these are all the collections in that database. And now let us say I want to delete some records. So first of all, you can click on this create new playground and then one file will open up. There you have to select use then database name. So in my case it is the database name, and then the simple command we have to use like this. So let's say I want to delete the records from the comments collection, then you can put the filter like this. Let's say I want to delete the comment where the ID is equal to this one, and then simply you have to do db.comments. So comments is the collection name, and then delete many. Then give this filter, pass that filter, and that's it. It will delete that particular record from the comments collection. So this filter you can change based upon your preference or requirement. For example, let's say you want to delete the comments where the comment contains this word spice. So you can give the filter like that. That's it. So with this extension, it's very easy to manage your database. You don't need to log into the Atlas web UI. You can directly interact with your database, delete the records, find the records. You can literally do anything. And these statements or this code is basically using Mongo shell, okay, the native driver, and not the Mongoose. So there is also another Mongoose client which can be used to interact with the MongoDB database, but I'm not using Mongoose over here. Over here we are using MongoDB shell. Okay.